Gold H1 chart, you can see it is sideways range. It is not going up nor down, just sideways. But this time you have new chart pattern. You have this a running triangle chart pattern. This upper and lower trend line are your big dynamic support and resistance level. Plus, price doing magical thing it always does on psychological level 2300. If it break out to upside, then this static level 2364 is still your big resistance. Below this level, intraday H1 you can say gold is bearish. Until this level breakout, you cannot say technically it is bullish because you can see from this all-time high price is making lower low with lower high. This is your technical clear downtrend. For more clarity, if you see H4 chart, then again a clear chart pattern. If lower trend line breakout or retest, you can sell again, but next time downside target will be 2200. Since on H4, first it make double top, then neckline breakout, retest, and new low. So intraday H4 confirm your technical downtrend. Instead focusing on new all-time high, better you focus on this level 2350. As long as price trading below this level, you can say it is bearish. On any news, it can retest this level, but below it is bearish. Until this level does not break out, you cannot say bullish. So this is your first big upside resistance, and you have new sideways range. And if you see 2300 and 2400, this is $100 sideways range. When price goes above 2400, you have seen big selling pressure. When price goes down below 2300, you saw buying pressure. You have seen last week 3 wave, and each time it failed to break out 23 psychological level. So bulls and bear both fighting, and they are fighting at psychological level 2300. So your sideways range correction after melt up in March month, it is happening. If you are still believe in FOMO buying, then you have to wait for clear breakout of 2350 level. Before that, technical bearish and sideways range. So you have everything: clear range, clear chart pattern, and clear static resistance. And for more clarity, for range breakout, either upside or downside, from intraday H4 to daily chart, you have clear wave counting top to bottom complete, and correction exactly from 38% projection for final wave Y. On H4 intraday, you have clear technical downtrend, lower low with lower high, while from top to bottom daily chart is still about 38% retracement, and you can see RSI is collapsing. So price is not overbought, and some people are buying for no reason at 2300. They always do, and they buy at each psychological level like they did at $2000 and 1800. If you see last week Fed speech, then he said clear and challenged everyone. He neither see stag nor inflation. But each week, again after FOMC meeting, you saw economic indicator which confirm stagflation. You have CPI already flying, now NFP 3.9% now, and before next FOMC meeting you will see 4%. And GDP that is going down, and most important ISM service PMI number that is below 50, that means 49 last week. All of those numbers confirm stagflation, while Fed officially ignored and challenging everyone. And last week they announced QT tapering, So speech was mostly dovish. That's why it did not break out below 2300. So Fed, instead of saying 1000 thing and long term plan, he explained everything with one word: stagflation. And FOMC blackout period over. Gulsvi and Feb they gave speech last week, and if you compare this time during March month when it was flying, then there is a big change in their tone. Not just Fed Chair Powell, all of those FOMC member tone is changing. Now they are hawkish on inflation. Previously they were ignoring, but now they are giving warning on second inflation wave. So second inflation wave means second rate hike cycle. This will not happen this year, but 2026 you can expect another rate hike. So each rate cut will translate into rate hike in future. And Fed also challenged this week, he does not think next interest rate move is hike. And if you see Fed Gulsvi comment after FOMC meeting, then there is a big change in tone. So Fed said rate hike unlikely, but FOMC member like Bowman they are saying if possible then they can hike again. So your correction on daily chart have begun, and you can see first fifth retracement is 2194. On intraday chart everything is clear. If you see daily chart, because they are buying blindly, they do always at psychological level. But on daily chart your big support is 2200. Before that there is not big buying opportunity. And if you see weekly chart for more clarity, then you can see from H1 to weekly now nothing is overbought, everything is normal, and you have two red candlestick. So where price go, psychology go. When it was going down at 1800, everyone was talking about retest of 1600. When it was going up, everyone was talking about $3,000. Sentiment was same, but price did not hit 3000 level. But still, banks like Goldman Sachs, they are still predicting 2700 level. And if you need more motivation for FOMO buying, then news are saying that China gold buying may be preparation for Taiwan invasion. But after all of those news, war news right at the top, you have big reversal and two red candlestick. If those intraday H4 time frames support breakout, then weekly chart does not have big support level, and same like that monthly chart have only one support 2080. Before that there is no support level. And you have seen last week on last working day of last month gold came down almost vertical, and now you have new monthly candlestick, and you have to decide this month candlestick will close above 2400 or near 2080. But this chart give you big support for intraday trader near 2240. So like Fed said, he see neither stag nor inflation. So this thing started right here, and now they are saying this is not happening. So entire trade complete. So everything can be understand why news headline. This week there is no big news. Everything depends what FOMC member will say this week. They are hawkish and election politics. So this thing will decide where gold will go this week. What if you want simple answer what is stagflation? Then it started in 2018. Now Fed has confirmed we are in stagflation in 2024. In terms of physics, this is black hole. You cannot come outside of black hole. And if you want more simple answer, then this is ghost. Like Kid Fear Once panic start, everyone will start dying. For beginner small trader, better you focus on H4 chart, 2350 level and this chart pattern. If they give hawkish speech and future plan is rate hike, then it will go down or not bullish until 2350 level breakout.